Okay, let's talk about TikTok. TikTok is the fastest growing social media platform in the world.
Hold on for a second. Isn't that app only for teenagers? They do silly dancing and trendy music? Something like this?
However, right now TikTok is still continuing to explode on the social media platform. A lot of businesses using this to reach out to the potential customers and share what they can do for them. On Mother's Day, we post a video about our window display to remind our customer don't forget to order flowers for their lovely moms. We did something like this. That is pretty good, right? You don't need professional equipment to do this. All you need is your cell phone and the TikTok app. You can do so much with it. You can add text to your video, photo, special effect, and filter. And also you can slow down or speed up your video too.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get.
So let me show you some basic things how to make a video from the TikTok app. Here is my profile. When you sign up for the TikTok app, this is going to be your profile page. You will have to fill up all the information, name and email and stuff. And you can upload your profile picture here and to link some of the social media platform with it. In this case, I link my Instagram and YouTube channel with it. At the bottom of this page, they have some icon here. First, we have the profile icon here. This is your profile. And then you have the inbox icon. When someone messages you, you can find the message here. After that, we have the friends icon. All the people who you follow, the video will be here. And this is the home button, so you can explore different people and trendy topic. TikTok is going to recommend some of the video based on your previous behavior on the app. The last thing at the center is the video button. The fun is going to begin here. Let me show you some of the basic of how to make a video. We are going to push the center icon. They take me to another page. At the top, you have the add music button. You can add trendy music to your video. On the right hand side, we have the flip screen icon, so you can use your front-facing camera. The next one is the speed icon. You can change the speed for the video. And this is the beauty mode, so it's going to make your skin smoother. And this is the filter icon. They have a lot of different filters to change your video colors. After that, we have the timer. This is gonna help you when you just by yourself making the video. So you have 3 seconds or 10 seconds to get ready for shooting the video. Moving down here, we have an icon called reply. You can reply to your comment using a video feature. So you can make a video to reply comment to have better engagement with your audience. The last one is the flash icon. So you can turn on the flashlight for the nighttime video shooting. And then moving down, you have a effect icon, and they have a lot of different special effects to make your face funny. Sometimes they have special effect just for the holiday. Moving down here, you can choose the length for your video. 3 minutes, 60-second or 15-second video. At the center, you have the red button for the video. Then on the right hand side, you can upload pictures to make a video. In this video, we only cover some of the basic knowledge of how to make a TikTok video. I will highly recommend you to download the app and try it out so you can have fun with it. Hopefully this video will encouraging you to make your first TikTok video to have better engagement with your customer. Have fun guys, see you next time.